traffic, the way that you're now running traffic, is we're optimizing for video views. But what we're also going to do is we're going to optimize for engagement. Now that we're optimizing for engagement, Facebook's going to find a couple more people that are landing page clicks. Maybe they find a lead, maybe not. Maybe they find a buy, very little. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn on the landing page clicks, right? Landing page clicks is going to go ahead and fill that up. We get a couple of leads from landing page clicks or landing page views, but not a ton. But now we fill that up, and maybe we get a buy. Notice we're hardly filling up the buy. Brand awareness, you get maybe just a little bit. Now what happens is we're going to start optimizing leads. Oh, this is in circles, right? Now we're going to start optimizing for leads. It's going to start capturing these people. Where again, most people before they come into the workshop, most people before they come here, they're like, okay, all we're going to do is we're just going to optimize for leads. And this was kind of the big aha that we had in Chicago, which is like, wait a minute. If we just optimize for just leads, we actually just leave all of this out. And yeah, we get some people who will click on our ad. What we're doing is we're filling up all of these buckets. And even if someone just besides, let's just say we're optimizing for leads. If someone watches the video from our lead ad, we're still going to retarget them. If someone engages, even though we're running a lead ad, we're going to retarget them. If someone wants to become a landing page view, they may do that from our lead ad, but we're going to retarget them. So what so many people do is, again, they only run one objective. So they're missing all these people. So will they be a more qualified lead? I'm not necessarily quite sure, but what I do know is I'm filling up my buckets for optimization just to keep pushing people this way. As I'm moving people here through the experience, here's probably a big aha I want to give you. I don't require, hang on, let's change this a little bit. Okay, we'll change this to an arrow, right? That's in red. I don't require a funnel to be profitable to get people in this stuff. I can get them into my propaganda, I can get them into the middle of the funnel, and then as we start retargeting and building rapport, well, these buckets are already being filled up. So literally, here's the way it happens. Look, we're running everything like I'm going to show you right now, because I'm not running any lead campaigns right now, right? Well, actually, I'll show you in a kind of a, where what happens is right now I'm running video engagement landing page clicks. I'm going to get some leads from it, but out of all the FOMO content I'm posting this weekend, essentially what's going to happen is I'm going to find out which combination of creative and objective gives me the most qualified person, right? Not which perfect ad and the perfect audience. So the way that we're going to do this is, let's share this one more time. Where's my share button? Is this making sense? Or dollars?
Yeah.
Hence.
Hence! That's just because Adam's here with his new haircut. Fancy Adam and his new fancy haircut.
You won't believe how many pence it costs.
Lots of pence. Lots of pence. All right, so let's just take a look here just real quick. I want to just show you top of funnel when we get in these ad examples. So if I take a look just at campaign delivery,